to increase.
Bhoi District Administration Henegasi kala Pynlong ya ka program ai ching Hikai ya ki Samla ha patarim umsning Hapoh ka Chief Minister's Career Guidance and Counseling Scheme banyarap ya ki Samla ka than bakin penkre banyakun na kabenta ki examen thungkam ya kani ka program la Pynlong ha gichinga trailang bat ki MLA ka than bat ka Triumphant Institute of Management Education Shillong Guwahati Lai Pongut ki khana na ki Shipau tali ki school ki la yashimbanta ha kani ka program ki Samla puli ki yashimbanta ha gijing puli bat ki chingle chingo ya ki lab ha NIT Mekalia la pen kre ru ban Pynlong kum ka chu ka jing thmu bat ka NIFT Shillong ban pen tibet iki nong trekti ki badang penne ya ka jing trekti tan rai
something in their own language like Somen has got video has got everybody has got right. So you also have to make your own story. And it's not that the fake, right? The way you walk out, the way you shape the future is up to your life. Today we have this counseling and all. This is just a guidance, a tip to you. Like what are things you learn? The rest lies in you. Your inner motivation, your ethic, how you walk. Between your two, from the same sibling, maybe from the same house. One brother gets success, another doesn't get. Why? They stay in the same group, their father's the same, they get the same school, they have got nonsense. It's a personal trait. If you want to get success, you need to work hard.